Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply use Poly.ai. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Poly.ai is an innovative platform that enables users to create, customize, and interact with AI-powered virtual characters. So first of all, you need to download and install the app and create a login into your account. Once you have done this, you need to simply create and customize your AI character. You can simply set up your character profile, select a category, and engage with conversations and mood. You can talk with the characters that are available and discover recommended characters as well. You can also participate in community events in this app, and you can customize your responses or also use voice features. So this is how you can simply use Poly.ai. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.